With Dresma, you can start your product shoot with a simple setup that includes a light box, a tripod, and the Do My Shoot mobile app. Let's start the shoot. Select Macy's as the preset. To begin your shoot, simply click on the red button. Click multiple angles as required. Once your shoot is complete, click Done and name your project. In just a few seconds, your Macy's compatible output is ready to download. You can find the ready-to-use images saved in the Do My Shoot folder under My Files on your mobile device. If you want your product photos custom retouched by our experts, send them for Pro Touch. Feel free to add instructions. You'll receive professionally retouched images delivered within 24 hours, directly to your email and in the My Projects section of the app.